So, ride test number 2. We are now on a CB 1000F. So we're going to have a run out on this one, and this is with the visor down. So we're going to give it a try and see what it's like for wind noise. See if it tops out on my audio. Instead of shouting, I can just whisper now. And it's basically whisper mode. So we'll try this out, see what it's like with the visor down. When I get up to speed and we're stuck in traffic and I've got a damn electric car in front of me. So this is CB 1000F. Crash bars to the front. And I bet this goes like the proverbial stink. We shall find out in a minute. It does go like the proverbial stink. Right, so probably a bit of wind noise that you're picking up, but I wanted to obviously try the wind noise with me talking and see if the talking overrates on top of or overrides the wind noise. Oh, that's handy. Green light, let's go, people. Why are you indicating left? Turn your indicator off. Warm up the tyres. Try the brakes. Suspension is good on it. It's not a bad little bike, and you've got crash bars down there as well. You've got little screens to the front, and not many miles on this one either. So this is another one of our new bikes that we have just picked up, and we'll see how this one rides. And obviously what I'm more interested in doing, you want to check out the big Land Rover behind me. That's Phil. Oh, one of those another electric scooter. I hate them. Anyone got a shotgun handy to shoot his tyres out? Hate those things. Why they are illegal is, yeah, definitely. Right, let's... It shifts. Right. Let's see how low we can go. Yeah, a little bit of knee out there. It corners well on these tyres. Definitely nice. Low speed handling. Pretty darn good. Feather in the throttle. Just riding the back brake. It's like 3 miles an hour. I love a bit of low speed handling. Bleeding great Arctic beside me. Always one that finds that I'm in the wrong queue, she says. Right, so I've had me a little bit of fun now. Right, we shall put this in post-production and see what the audio's like. So CB1000F if you're interested, guys. Up for sale at Eclipse Motorcycles. God, this handles well. It flicks around, you know. Oh, I'm having a whale here. Anyway, till next time, be well, ride safe, and from a giggly RB, it's a big goodbye from me.